On February 10, 2025, Attorney General Pam Bondi made a controversial decision. Just 5 days into her tenure, she dismissed corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams. This move immediately raised eyebrows. The timing seemed suspect. Critics questioned the motives behind the swift dismissal. Adding fuel to the fire, several Justice Department prosecutors resigned in protest. Acting U.S. Attorney Danielle Sassoon, a Republican herself, stepped down. She refused to endorse the dismissal. 5 other prosecutors followed suit. Their resignations signaled a deep unease within the Justice Department. It appeared that political pressure had influenced a legal decision. The dismissed charges related to allegations of bribery and campaign finance violations during Adams's time as Brooklyn Borough President. Sassoon was reportedly preparing to file additional charges. These charges involved evidence tampering. The abrupt dismissal prevented these charges from moving forward. The situation raised concerns about whether justice was truly being served. The resignations amplified these concerns. The controversy surrounding the Adams case highlighted a larger issue within the Trump administration. This issue is the blurring of lines between the executive branch and the Department of Justice. A memo from White House counsel David Warrington fueled these concerns. The memo declared that President Trump and his advisors could discuss ongoing legal cases with the Attorney General. This direct communication raises serious questions about the integrity of legal proceedings. Critics argue that it undermines the Justice Department's independence. It opens the door to political interference in legal matters. The Attorney General is supposed to act as an impartial arbiter of the law. Allowing the president to weigh in on cases jeopardizes this crucial role. The memo essentially dismantles the traditional firewall between the White House and the Justice Department. This firewall is meant to prevent political considerations from influencing legal decisions. Without this separation, the risk of abuse of power increases. Justice should be blind to political affiliation. This memo suggests that this may no longer be the case. The dismissal of charges against Mayor Adams fits into a larger pattern within the Trump administration. This pattern involves undermining independent institutions. It also involves prioritizing loyalty over expertise. Since taking office for his second term, Trump has taken numerous actions that raise concerns. He has fired 18 inspectors general. He has also dismissed 12 prosecutors who worked for special counsel Jack Smith. These firings suggest an intolerance for dissent. They also suggest a desire to control the narrative surrounding his administration. Additionally, Trump has proposed relocating Palestinians from Gaza. This action could constitute a war crime under international law. These actions are reminiscent of Trump's first term, which was marked by attacks on the media, the judiciary, and the intelligence community. His second term appears to be following a similar trajectory. This time, the attacks seem even more brazen and unrelenting. The implications of these actions are far-reaching and deeply troubling. By undermining the independence of the judiciary and other institutions, the Trump administration erodes the rule of law. This erosion has a corrosive effect on democracy. When the law is applied unevenly, and when those in power are above the law, it undermines public trust in government. The resignations of career prosecutors are a canary in the coal mine. They are a sign that the Justice Department is being politicized. This politicization threatens the very foundation of our legal system. If left unchecked, it could have disastrous consequences for the future of American democracy.